I'm going to change one word. Changed. I'm going to change the word from increase in the problem as changed.
So the answer for that one is increase or no?
Yes, we reject the null hypothesis, so we believe that the mean has increased. There's sufficient evidence to believe the mean has increased.
And that's how we would answer it on the test?
I'd take about anything on that. Okay, so last problem. Exact same problem, except instead of increased, we have changed. So now we have a different hypothesis. Mean equals 35. Alternate, mean does not equal 35, right?
Can you draw that three graphs?
Yeah, I will. Yeah, don't let me forget. I'll draw them for you. So alpha's 0.01, so it means 99% has to be between those values. This is my do not reject H naught region. This is my reject H naught. This is my reject H naught. I have to find that critical value. That area is 0.01. This area is 0.01. No, it's not 0.01, it's 0.005. 0.005. So I have to find my critical value. My critical value is inverted norm. 0.005, negative 2.57. Is that right?
Yep.
Okay, so my critical values are positive 2.57 and negative 2.57. Okay? So now I have to take my test statistic. I already took my test statistic. I computed it over there on the right? That's not different. My test statistic is over on the right-hand side, and it is 3.0. Where's 3.0 hit?
2.
To the right. So it is in the reject region. So my conclusion would be that I believe the mean has changed. It is no longer 35. So my conclusion would be I believe the mean has changed based upon my sample of 64 people with a standard deviation of 4 and a sample average of 36.5. I believe that the mean has changed. So the last step then is to find the p-value. So I have to find this area right here. And that area is normal, CDF, 3.0, comma what? 10. And in that case, it's going to be the same thing I found over there, 0.0013. But you got to remember that p-value is both of these areas. It's a two-tailed test, so we also got an area down here. So I got to double it. So the p-value then, p-value of 0.0013 times 2, that's 0.0026. Okay, so that is the p-value. So as long as alpha is less than that, what? Alpha is greater than that,
Reject.
I reject. If alpha is less than that, I do not reject.
But alpha is 1. No, it's not.
No, it's not.
As long as alpha is less than p-value,
If alpha is less than the p-value, we do not reject. If alpha is greater than the p-value, we do reject. I'm not going to say it again because we keep getting it confused. Okay, is that okay?
I didn't say anything.
Okay. No, I'm not mad at you. I'm just saying. I want to make sure that I said it right. So if we keep asking how to say it, we'll get everybody confused.
So the answer for this one is change.
We believe there's a change. Why do we believe there's a change? Because 3.0 is in the reject H0 region. Okay? So again, if alpha is greater than the p-value, we reject the null hypothesis. If alpha is less than the p, let me say it again, let's start fresh. If alpha is greater than the p-value, we reject the null hypothesis. If alpha is less than the p-value, we do not reject the null hypothesis. Okay?
If one was to write it down, would we write alpha greater than, or would we write the
Doesn't matter which, mathematically it'd be correct either way. All right, everyone all right on that?
So why did you say there's a change again?
Because we're in the rejection region.
Okay.
Okay, is everyone okay on everything?
When do we use that other formula, the p caret minus p over square root of p over h?
You would use that if you were asked for a hypothesis test on a proportion. You won't be asked that
Oh, okay.
on this test.
Oh, that's right down.
We cut that off.
Okay.
We cut that off in 92.
Okay.
Okay. So that's the cutoff on the exam. Okay, everyone all ready? Everyone ought to do very well on this.
Yes. 100%.
That's what we want.
You tried hard.
I want all 100s. That's the easiest way to grade them. I grade them really quick when they're all right.
Well, I tell you what, just go ahead and put 100 on mine.
You take that, right?
Yeah.
All right, when's the exam? Monday night?
Monday night.
Remember, labs up through 7 are due Monday night. What do you have to do to get full credit on the labs?
Answer questions.
And answer all those questions and produce the graphs.
Gotcha.
All right, good luck to all of you.